So there's like two moments on like creative people's lives, right? You have like two paths. It's either like you're like, oh man, I want to have more work. Like I wish I could do more stuff and earn more money and have more like interesting projects and just, you know, challenge myself creatively more. That usually happens around like the time you graduate university. You're like, I want to do so many things. And then there's this other path on which you're like, fuck me. Like I can't even breathe of the amount of stuff that I have to do, and I have to basically eat on my desk, and I have to sleep with my laptop like right here. If anything happens, I can just like fix it right away, you know? And right now I'm kind of going through that second path. Like I had a very stable year, you could say, in a sense, but right now, like I don't know what happens at the end of the year that a bunch of projects just like cram together, and it's crazy, and I'm losing my mind. But I have found out something about myself that I hadn't seen before that has helped me a lot, and that I think that it might be the answer for me, and that hopefully it could help you guys as well. So I'm making this video. I should probably not be making this video. I have a bunch of projects that I have a lot of issues with, and I have to be checking them and resolving, and it's crazy, and I should probably be working instead of shooting this video, but I just kind of wanted to do it. And it's just like one take, like one just huge take. So hopefully this video is not too long. But anyway, what I found out is that the more things you can hold onto in your life, the more you can find that stability that will help you go through either those like passive moments or those more like chaotic moments. And what I mean by that is, and you know, like creative people, we tend to like hate on like routines and that kind of stuff. You know, we're like, oh no, man, like I'm a free spirit and I work at whatever time I like and I do my own life and I want to live traveling the world with no routine. But I mean, spoiler, routines do help a lot. So when you have a strong foundation for yourself, you get to know yourself to a point that you have these things that help you be grounded and have control of your day. Then it doesn't matter if the day is really like slow and boring, or if the day is really chaotic and just filled up with stuff, you can manage to navigate through them. For example, some people might find that stability in meditation, and they love meditating, and they just find peace and energy and control of their lives through meditation, and that's fine. Maybe for you it's different. Maybe it's having just a cup of coffee. Maybe it's just talking to someone you like or you love, or it's, you know, someone special, or maybe it's working out, or maybe it's, I don't know. I've found out that one thing that helps me really be like grounded and feel okay is gaming. Ironically, you know, I do all of those things that I mentioned before, and I will make a video later on about like creative routines and that kind of stuff. But gaming lately has been super helpful for me, which is ironic because you would think it's a very like non-productive time, but it really helps me to get into a mode of thinking and of doing stuff that really helps me then tackle other objectives. I see my life almost like a game after I game. It's kind of weird. But it works for me, at least. So yeah, so when you're going through, it doesn't matter if you're going through like the more slow paced, like, oh man, what do I do with my life? Like if you have that strong foundation, you can find the discipline to stop procrastinating and do maybe some personal work, or maybe just enjoy the silence and the peace and the slowness. You know what I mean? If you have those strong foundations, and if you're like going through very chaotic moments like right now, it can really help you have those foundations to just keep focused on what you have to do, and then also give yourself time to do what you have to do in order to be okay with yourself, like eating healthy or working out or whatever. Because it's very easy when you're in like this chaotic moment to just like lose track and then start eating like a bunch of like junk food or not working out or whatever, you know what I mean? So yeah, I think it's super interesting. And I kind of wanted to talk about that today in this video right now with you guys, having some coffee and having a bit of a break of all the work that I have to get through right now. So yeah, that is about it. When will I upload more videos? I mean, I'm like 99% of the people who say they're going to start a YouTube channel and they just kind of don't. But I will be uploading more videos and it's going to be hella fun. And I hope to see you guys there. When will be the next one? Yeah, I guess you'll have to subscribe and hit the notification to find out. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I hope this advice rant helped you in a way. And I will see you guys on the next one. Cheers.